My name's Lucas. I've been growing vegetables for over a decade, and it might not be the most interesting topic, but having great soil is the difference between having a top crop and a flop crop. Today, I'm going to show you how to get your garden soil ready for top production. Let's get started. This is my front yard garden. It's not super flat. There's hills everywhere. So the first step is going to be to get your garden soil nice and flat. Look at that. That is one quality rake. It's not perfect, but neither is life. You might be hesitant to follow my advice and say, Lucas, you're full of crap. The truth is, I'm not, but my garden will be. You see, earlier today, I went out to a hardware store with my dad's brand new truck and filled it full of cow manure and sheep manure, 3-in-1 mix, and also some sphagnum peat moss. I spent about 170 bucks Canadian on all these premium soil amendments, but it's going to be worth it in the end. Cow manure,
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated.
This stuff is really going to make your soil nice and ramp up your production. So as you can see here, I've got 4 rows of compost, composted cow manure, composted sheep manure, and 3-in-1 mix. Growers, now is the part that's going to make you click off this video. It's time to put in some work. We got to mix up this compost into the soil so that it's well integrated, and it's going to be a lot of work. Look, I said this was simple, but I didn't say it was easy. Old-fashioned shovel and elbow grease. Peat moss is great if you have clay soil like me because it loosens it up. And tomatoes and vegetables like to have that nice loamy soil in general. So this stuff is going to make that happen and make your plants a lot happier. And when you have happier plants, they'll make you happier by producing more. The cool thing about these bales is that they're compressed. So there's a ton of growing medium here ready to be used. That works. Anyway, you get the point. All right, growers, so now the soil is looking really good. We've got peat moss and a bunch of different types of compost, composted manure, cow manure, sheep manure, and also 3-in-1 mix. This is going to be a great base to grow some amazing tomatoes, peppers, cucumbers, and other types of vegetables.